Okay, pupils, we are on this year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 82 to page 83. So we are on new unit here, unit 7, get dressed. Activity 1, find the clothes. Look across and down. So basically we need to solve this word search here. So before, it's up to you. So I will solve this word search first before I fill in the blanks. So number 1, t-shirt. So notice carefully, there's a hyphen here. So for t-shirt, so this doesn't have. So next, so if first we go across the word search by looking horizontally to the right. So this is number 1, socks. So this is, I will maximize it a bit so that you can see clearly. So socks. And then next one we have jeans. So somewhere around here. So jeans. And we have cat. So CAP here. And then we have shorts. Shorts. And then we have sweater. So sweater. And we have trousers. So this is a longer characters. So trousers, and then by looking vertically down or to the bottom, we have skirt. So SKIRT. And then we have jacket. And we have shoes with S. Next we go one by one. So this is capped, CAP. And then we have skirt. So usually this is for female. SKIRT. And then we have this one, shorts. So this one with S. So although this is not plural, so this is with an S. So this is singular. And then we have this one, jacket. So jacket. So somewhere around here. Jacket. JSCKET. Jacket. And then we have jeans. So maybe you're confused with these trousers here. So this is jeans. Jeans, we have S here. So this is singular basically and not plural. So jeans. And then we have these shoes. So this is plural. And we have socks here. Plural form. And then we have trousers. And then lastly, we have sweater. So next we go to page 83. So page 83, match the pictures with the sentences. Write numbers. So already given, number 1. So I like this t-shirt. So you will need to look at these kids' facial expression. So they are happy for these 2 kids here. So this girl like her t-shirt. And then we have this plural form, t-shirts. So you can look at it. So this boy smiling. So with this girl. And then we have number 3. So if you look at it, so they are unhappy. So this is his t-shirts, and then this one we have only one t-shirt. So note that when we have this plural form with s, so we have longer form of this, so these, and then for singular we only have these 4 alphabets. So versus this we have 5 alphabets. So number 1 already given answer. So number 2, so we need to find t-shirts plural, and then happy face, so meaning he like it. So this one, so number 2, I like these t-shirts, so the boy said. So this is number 2. And then we have number 3, don't like, and then t-shirts. So don't like these t-shirts. So this is number 3. And then finally we have this t-shirt, one t-shirt, and then don't like. So this is number 4. And then we look at number 2, activity 2. So circle the words. Number 1, do you like this cat? So this is singular, and we have these 4 alphabets. This. Number 2, jeans. So this is plural form. We need to choose the second option. And number 3, so shoes. So number 4, skirt. So this. And then jacket, only one jacket. This. And then socks, plural form. This. So that's it for today. So we are on this year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 82 to page 83. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video there's a link, you can click it. You can join my Telegram bot for free.